Welcome to the Nethu Smart Lab, the world of high-performance FPV drone racing with the DJI 4 Air Unit series. This revolutionary digital video transmission system is designed to elevate your flying experience to new heights. With its lightweight design, weighing just 8.2 grams, the DJI 4 Air Unit features a 1/2-inch image sensor capable of capturing stunning 4K 60 FPS video. For those seeking even more power, the DJI 4 Air Unit Pro boasts a 1/1.3-inch image sensor, recording breathtaking 4K 120 FPS footage. The DJI 4 Air Unit series offers an ultra-wide 155 degrees field of view, ensuring you capture every detail of your flight. With features like 10-bit D-Log-M color mode and RockSteady stabilization, your footage will be smooth and vibrant, perfect for both racing and cinematic projects. The system supports H.265 video encoding and 1080p 100 FPS video transmission, providing clear and real-time imagery. One of the standout features of the DJI 4 Air Unit series is its impressive range and low latency. The standard unit offers a 10 km range with 20 milliseconds latency, while the Pro version extends the range to 15 km with just 15 milliseconds latency. This means you can fly further and with more responsive controls, even in challenging environments. Whether you're a seasoned FPV pilot or a budding filmmaker, the DJI 4 Air Unit series is your perfect companion. Its compatibility with various DJI goggles and FPV remote controllers makes it a versatile choice for any drone setup. With the DJI 4 Air Unit series, you're ready to take your drone adventures to the next level.